Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of smartphones and explore a brand new device. So, let's get started with our tutorial on how to use this amazing new smartphone. First things first, let's unbox our device. Carefully remove the protective cover, and there you have it, the sleek, stylish, and powerful smartphone that you've been waiting for. Now, let's power it on and get it set up. Once you've turned it on, you'll be greeted by the familiar setup screen. Follow the prompts, and you'll be all set up in no time. Now, let's explore the user interface. The home screen is your gateway to all the features and apps on your device. Swipe up or down to navigate through your apps. One of the standout features of this smartphone is its camera. The camera app is easily accessible from the home screen. Tap on the camera icon, and you'll be ready to capture your memories. The camera interface is intuitive and user-friendly, so you can snap photos or record videos with ease. Another great feature of this smartphone is its notifications. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access your notifications. Here, you'll find all the latest updates and alerts from your apps. Now, let's talk about the battery life. This smartphone boasts a long-lasting battery that can easily last through a full day of use. To check your battery level, simply swipe down from the top of the screen and look for the battery icon. When it comes to storage, this smartphone offers ample space for all your files, photos, and apps. To check your storage usage, go to Settings and select Storage. Here, you'll see how much space is being used and how much is available. Finally, let's talk about the security features. This smartphone comes with a fingerprint sensor for added security. To set up your fingerprint, go to Settings and select Security. From there, follow the prompts to register your fingerprint. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide on how to use your brand new smartphone. We hope you enjoy exploring all the amazing features and functions that this device has to offer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy smartphoning!